There's always somebody taller with more of a wits, and he's equipped to enthrall her, and her friends think he's fit, and you just can't measure up, no. You don't have a prayer, wishing that you'd made the most of her when she was there. They've got engaged, no intention of a wedding. He pinched your bird, and he'd probably kick your head in. Bigger boys and stolen sweethearts, you're better off without her anyway. You said you wasn't sad to see her go. Oh no. He might be one of those boys that's all pretty and vain, and likes to go in the sunbed, stays out of the rain so that he don't get his hair wet. Cause you wouldn't want that, at least he ain't got a Nova or a Burberry out. They've got engaged, no intention of a wedding. He's pinched your bird and he'd probably kick your head in. The bigger boys and stolen sweethearts, so you're better off without her anyway. You said you wasn't sad to see her go, but of course you were. Yeah, what she's been doing never did it for me. Picks up at the school gates at 3:20. She's been with all of the boys but never went very far, and she wagged English and science just to go in his car. They got engaged, no intention of a wedding. He pinched my bird and he'd probably kick my head in. Oh, now the girls have grown, yeah, but I'm sure that they still carry on in similar ways.